Hi friends, today we are going to learn about what is the purpose of the array splice method in JavaScript. The splice method in JavaScript is used to change the contents of an array by adding, removing, replacing elements. Unlike slice method, which creates a new array, splice modifies the original array directly. Now we'll see the syntax. Array dot splice, this is the start number and delete count and item 1, item 2, item etc. The start, the index at which to start changing the array. Insertion, deletion. And delete count, it's an optional, the number of elements to remove starting from the start index. If omitted, all the elements from the start index to the end of the array will be removed. And item 1 and item 2, this is also optional, the items to add to the array at the start position. If no items are provided, it only removes the element. Key points. Mutating, so the splice method modifies the original array. Return value, it returns an array containing the deleted elements if any. Flexible, it can be used to add, remove, replace elements at any position in the array. Example 1 with removing elements. So we have an array of strings. One is apple, banana, cherry, date and elderberry. In now fruits, we have a variable name, it's called fruit, const name fruits dot splice. So the first indicates with 1, so 0 1, this indicates with 1, and remove the element with 2, so banana and cherry. So after remove the elements, see the output is apple, date, elderberry. So the original array removed fruits, this is the new array output banana, cherry. Explanation. Fruits dot splice 1 comma 2 removes two elements starting from index 1. The elements banana, cherry are removed from the fruits array. The removed elements are returned as a new array banana and cherry. Now we'll see with for adding elements. We have a red, green, blue array with colors and add two elements at index 1. See, the start with index 1 and this is a 0 and we have to add yellow and purple. So the start index is 0 1. This is a green. Okay, this is the starting wind. So the output is red, yellow, purple, green and blue. Colors dot splice 1 comma 0 yellow, purple adds the elements at yellow and purple at index 1. Then 0th indicates that no elements are being removed. The result is that colors yellow and purple are inserted at the specified position without removing any existing elements. Because if this is a 0, that means there is no removing elements. If it is a 1, one element should be removed. And replacing elements. Replacing elements with cat, dog, elephants. So when we have animals, splice 1 start with 1 and replace with 1. So the output is cat, previous cat, dog, elephant. Now the new output is cat, rabbit, elephant. Animals dot splice 1 comma 1 rabbit removes one element at starting from one index. This is the one, the element dog, and then adds rabbit in its place. The result is a dog is replaced with a rabbit. Now example 4 with removing all elements from an array. We have a 1 2 3 4 5 array that call is number. Under numbers dot splice remove all elements starting from index 0. So we have given 0 and numbers are length. So the output is empty array. Numbers.splice 0 numbers.length removes all the elements from the numbers array, effectively emptying it. Numbers.length specifies that all elements should be deleted from the array. Summary of use cases for splice. Removing elements. You can remove one or more elements from an array at specific index. Adding elements. You can add one or more elements at specific index without removing anything. Replacing elements. You can replace one or more elements with new values at specific index. Manipulating arrays. It gives you a full control over modifying the array, whether it's for the insertion, deletion, replacement. Since splice directly alters the original array, it is a very powerful and flexible method for array manipulation. So friends, this is all about splice method in JavaScript. Thank you.